guys, it's Samantha Erica here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be deep conditioning my hair for the first time this year. So I haven't deep conditioned my hair since sometime last year before I had my baby, but I literally had no time so far this year to deep condition my hair. I've washed it maybe twice, yeah. I washed it about 2 times and I just haven't had a chance to deep condition my hair. So today I'm going to be deep conditioning this hair. This is what it looks like. It's literally a mess. It's so dry. It's so brittle and tangled and matted. It's like probably the worst it's ever been. So this is what it looks like. So I am going to deep condition it today. And usually I don't really care about washing my hair before I deep condition it. Especially if I'm going to leave it in for a while. Usually I'll just deep condition my hair and then leave it and then go and wash it. But I am going to have to wash it first before I deep condition it. So I am going to be using my usual shampoo, and it's the Cream of Nature with Argan Oil from Morocco sulfate-free moisture and shine shampoo. And this is a shampoo that I always use. I actually need to re-up on it. It's like right here. It's almost done. But I am going to shampoo my hair with this shampoo before I deep condition my hair. And today I'm going to be deep conditioning with my Beautiful Textures deep conditioner. And this one is Beautiful Textures Rapid Repair Deep Conditioner. And I am going to be mixing it with my Jamaican Black Castor Oil. And that's because my hair, when it's really dry and brittle like this, I find that castor oil does a really good job at helping me get it back moisturized. So I am going to be mixing this oil in my deep conditioner today. So
you don't know, bad man. Yeah. This body baby, oh, this body baby, oh. Yeah, it's a bad man thing, yeah. Bad girl make you wine to this, nah.
Okay guys, so I just finished washing my hair. I washed it in 4 separate sections just to make it a little bit more manageable, because as you guys seen before, it was looking a hot mess. So I finished washing it, and this is what it looks like right now. It's already looking a whole lot better, but it still feels a bit dry because I just shampooed it, but I haven't put any conditioner in it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply the deep conditioner to each section, making sure to cover all of my hair from the roots right down to the tips. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it. I showed you guys already how I mixed the deep conditioner, and that's what I have here. If I need more, I'll just go ahead and make some more, but I don't like making too much because I don't reuse the leftovers. Once I mix it, I don't like keeping it for next time. So that's what it looks like.
That thing where I go feel it, nah. The way you back it up, the way you bust in the place, nah. Oh, yeah. Steady on time, yeah, don't be late, nah. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm through. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm through. That me low. Tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Tell me low. Tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Your friends they tell you say I be nobody. Been searching all around but I found nobody. Call on me, I go give you all of me, baby make you follow me. I go give you all of me, all of me. Omoto Sean say she moving to the baseline. The way she a wine make a man wanna press the wine. She a gypsy girl, she a fine like the sunrise. The way she move make a man cry. I'm feeling her so I want it, I want it, I want it, no more. That me low, tell me what you want and know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow, this one no be private show. That me low, tell me what you want and know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow, this one no be private show. You don't know. VQ, bad man, point instrumental, giving them one time. It's okay. Bad man, see go take you there. Pull up. Bad man, finna gone away. It's alright. It's okay. Bad man, finna take you there. Pull up. I beat nobody. Been searching all around, but I found nobody. Call on me, I go give you all of me, all of me. Baby, make you follow me, follow me. I go give you all of me, all of me. Omoto Sean say she moving to the baseline. The way she a wine make a man wanna press the wine. She a gypsy girl, she a fine like the sunrise. The way she move make a man cry. I'm feeling her so I want it, I want it, I want it, no more. That me low, tell me what you want and know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow, this one no be private show. That me low, tell me what you want and know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow, this one no be private show. You don't know. VQ, bad man, point instrumental, giving them one time. It's okay. Bad man, see go take you there.
So I'm finished rinsing all the deep conditioner from my hair, and this is what it looks like. The natural shine of my hair has definitely been restored. It no longer feels dry and brittle as it felt before. It's definitely a lot more moisturized. Like even the colored treated parts of my hair where I have my highlights, it felt so dry before, but now I can't even feel the difference between my highlights and the part of my hair that's not highlighted. It feels really soft, it's really moisturized, and I'm so happy with the results, and I'm never gonna go this long without deep conditioning my hair again. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up if you enjoyed. Bye guys!